Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is LaptopExplorer11. Today I will be showing you how to make a guessing game using Python. So open your IDE. I am using Visual Studio Code. Open a new file and save it as guessing game. For this we should import the random module. Then here we have to print welcome to the guessing game. Let's begin. Welcome to the guessing game. Let's begin. And here we have to create a list. So you can wait. Yeah, here you have to create a list. So you can call it as num underscore list. Then from 1 to 20 we should type the numbers. You can pause the video and make the list. Okay. Yeah. Then here guess 1. Wait. Yeah, guess 1 equals random dot choice random dot choice. Wait a second. Here from the random module we'll import choice. From random import choice. Yeah. Then here we type, okay, I'll remove this random. Yeah. Num underscore list. So it's going to take a random choice from the number list. Guess equals input. So we are asking the user for input. Enter a number. Wait a second. There's typo. Yeah. Enter a number. So it's going to ask us to enter a number from 1 to 20. While true. Yeah. So we should make this a while loop. If guess equals to guess 1, print correct answer. You got it right. Okay. Yeah. Then here we should add an emoji. For that we should go to emoji Unicode. I'll give the link in the description. So here I'll select this one. So here we should remove the plus sign and type 0. 3 times 0, 0, 0, 0, then backslash before the U. Then we terminate the loop. Enter a number from 1 to 20. Wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as long as I get it correct, it will keep on asking me. So I got it correct, 15. So actually you shouldn't type 1, 2, 3, 4. You should just randomly guess. So you can see it has printed correct answer. You got it right. So that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe.